my name is Anna Myroshnichenko. I'm one of Kitcast co-founders. If you are not familiar with Kitcast, we're a digital signage software. We originally started on Apple TV and now brought our experience to all the platforms. So it's a monthly subscription for digital signage. We work with a lot of enterprises as well as small businesses and educational institutions. You can manage all your content in real time from dashboard, however many screens you got. We have tons of widgets. You can upload your own content. We have unlimited cloud storage. And we just recently updated our pricing, and it starts at $120 per screen per year. And yeah, we provide 14-day free trial, no credit card required. So check us out at www.kitcast.tv. Thanks.
And we also have a switch offer. So if you use any other digital
Competitor,
signage platform, so we will help you to move over.
Yeah, we price match the best we can. Thanks.